Hi, I'm Dr. James Giordano, professor in the departments of neurology and biochemistry and chief of the neuroethics studies program at Georgetown University Medical Center. I'm a neuroscientist, a neuroethicist, and I've been doing that for about 4 decades. And I came into the field when it was brand new, at least as a titular field, neurosciences. But don't let that fool you. The 4 decades of the field and 4 decades of my experience in it have really not represented our interest in the way the brain does what the brain does. I mean, realistically, humans have been thinking about the way we think since we first recognized we can think, perhaps as old as human history. And over the past decades, if not the past century of science and technology, we've used the tools we've had at hand, our observation, our intuition, as well as the instruments we make, to delve ever deeper into what the brain does, if you will, this thing that we colloquially refer to as mind. So we've been minding the brain for quite a while, but yet we still don't know how it is that brain does mind. How does mind occur in the brain, in that body, in our environments? Last years have certainly shown great progress, not only evolutionary progress, but revolutionary progress in the brain sciences. And that's what we'll address in this course. Minding brain sciences. We'll talk about progress in the field, latest and greatest developments on the cutting edge of brain science internationally, and what that internationalization means with regard to the promise of what the brain sciences can yield in biomedicine, in daily life, and perhaps even for the way we interact on a variety of scales, from the individual to the international, from the cellular to the social. But we'll also talk about some of the problems that can be yielded and arise in and from the brain sciences, interculturally, as a consequence of misuse, misunderstanding, and in some cases, frank abuse. So I hope you'll join me those 4 weeks as we discuss minding brain science, its progress, potential, promise, and problems, because I think you'll find it both insightful and informative. And I hope that what we'll do is we'll use the lens of looking into the brain sciences as a reflective mirror to look upon ourselves, what it means to have a brain and be a mind, and what it means to live in an ever more neurocentrically defined and influenced culture. Join me if you will. I hope you'll enjoy it, and I hope you'll enjoy not only the course, but the information that it provides you. Looking forward to working with you.